Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: a Google account and browser ready. Open sites. Google. .com/new and click the plus to create a new site. This begins the live editor. Once done, enter a clear site name and choose a template that matches your purpose because templates set layout and default styles. Make sure to set sharing to private or anyone with link depending on who should view the draft. This gets you past initial roadblocks and into design quickly. Now build the middle, your site structure and content. You add pages in the Pages panel, create nested pages for sections, and drag to reorder. This controls navigation. Then use the Insert panel to add text boxes, images, embed URLs or Google Drive files. You can resize and align components directly. Once elements are placed, open themes to pick fonts and a color palette so the site looks cohesive. Remember to frequently click Finish by publishing. Click Publish, choose a site address or connect a custom domain, and confirm visibility settings so the right audience can access the site. After publishing, test pages on mobile and desktop to catch layout issues and update navigation labels if needed. If something goes wrong, like images not appearing or pages 404, first clear browser cache, confirm file permissions in Drive, and republish. Those 3 checks resolve most problems quickly. You're done and ready to iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.